Hello students. So this is a new video on scoring in NEET and JEE made easy. So every day I will be uploading 10 questions of each chapter. Okay. So this is for the first chapter, part 1. So let us start with the MCQs. The first question is, there are two types of electric charges, plus positive and negative charge. The property which differentiates the two types of charges is, options are field of charge, amount of charge, strength of charge, polarity of charge. I think you know the answer. Yes, it is polarity of charge. Okay. So there are two types of charges, positive charge and negative charge. And who discovered that? It was Franklin, right? Okay. So second one. Let us go to the second question. What will happen when we rub a glass rod with silk cloth? Options are, some of the electrons from the glass rod are transferred to the silk cloth. The glass rod gets positive charge and silk cloth gets negative charge. New charge is created in the process of rubbing, and D option is both A and B are correct. So the answer will be A, that is D, that is both A and B. Yes, some of the electrons from glass rod are transferred to the silk cloth, and the glass rod gets positive charge and silk cloth gets negative charge. That is, when there is rubbing, one which the later object loses the charge and the former object gains the charge. Hence, the silk cloth gets the negative charge, glass rod gets positive charge. Let us go to the third question. When a person combs his hair, static electricity is sometimes generated by what process? Options are, contact between the comb and hair results in a charge. Friction between the comb and hair results in the transfer of electrons. Deduction between the comb and hair. Induction between the comb and hair. Yes, the right answer is friction. There is friction between the comb and hair which results in the transfer of electrons. Right? Okay. Then the fourth one. Object may acquire an excess or deficiency of charge. So options are electric force, heating, shaking, by rubbing. So objects will acquire excess of charge by what method? That is electrification. Types of electrification. So here electric force is not types of electrification. Heating is not electrification. Shaking is not electrification. Friction is there, and here it is rubbing, right? So the answer is D, by rubbing. Yes, we'll go to the fifth one. The charge on an electron was calculated by Faraday, B. J.J. Thomson, C. Millikan, D. Einstein. So the answer is C. Millikan, by the oil drop method. He calculated the charge on an electron by his experiment. That is oil drop method. Then sixth one. A method of charging a conductor without bringing a charged body in contact with it is called magnetization, B. electrification, C. electrostatic induction, D. electromagnetic induction. Yes, the right answer is electrostatic induction. Yes, so there are three types of electrification: conduction, induction and friction. So friction is not there, conduction is not there in this option. So the right answer will be induction, right? Okay. Don't confuse with the electromagnetic induction. Okay. Yes. So the right answer in the static is electrostatics is electrostatic induction. Okay. Let us go to the seventh one. An object is charged when it has a charge imbalance, which means option A, object contains no protons, object contains no electrons, object contains equal number of electrons and protons. D, object contains unequal number of electrons and protons. Yes, the option is D, object contains unequal number of electrons and protons. Hence, there will be charge imbalance, right? Okay. So, let us go to the eighth one. A conducting sphere is negatively charged. Which of the following statement is true? The charge is uniformly distributed throughout the entire volume. The charge is located at the center of the sphere. The charge is located at the bottom of the sphere because of gravity. The charge is uniformly distributed on the surface of the sphere. Okay. So, which is the right answer? Okay. Yes. So, the answer is D. The charge is uniformly distributed on the surface of the sphere. So, electrostatic deals with the static electric charges which resides on the surface of the sphere of the conductor, right? So, therefore, the last option, the D option is correct. Okay. So, now let us see the ninth one. The number of electrons present in -1 coulomb, it is -1 coulomb. -1 coulomb of charge is 6 into 10 raised to 18. B option is 1.6 into 10 raised to 19. 6 into 10 raised to 19. 1.6 into 10 raised to 19. So, according to quantization of charge, N equal to Q by E, or what is the equation? Q equal to Ne. So, now we want the number of electrons, right? So, therefore, N equal to Q by E will be the formula. So, Q is what? -1 coulomb it is. So, -1 upon what is the magnitude of the charge, value of the charge? Minus 1.6 into 10 raised to -19. Okay. So, that answer will be 6 into 10 raised to 18. So, this one, option A is correct. Okay. Let us go to the 10th one. A cup contains 250 gram of water. Find the total positive charge present in the cup of water. Options are 1.34 into 10 raised to 19 coulomb, 1.34 into 10 raised to 7 coulomb, 2.43 into 10 raised to 19 coulomb, 2.43 into 10 raised to 7 coulomb. So, mass of water is given, that is 250 gram. Molecular mass of water is 18 gram. So, we have to calculate how many molecules are present in 18 gram. So, this is the standard value of the number of molecules, 6.02 into 10 raised to 23. So, therefore, in one cup, how many molecules will be there? 250 upon 18 into 2.002 into 10 raised to 23. That is equal to this much answer, 83.611 into 10 raised to 23 we will get. But again, what they have asked? Find the total positive charge, right? So, in each molecule of water, there is two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. So, there will be 10 electrons and 10 protons, right? So, therefore, total positive charge present in 1 cup of water equal to, so 83.611 into 10 raised to 23 into 10, that is 10 number of positive charges, into 1.6 into 10 raised to -19. So, answer will be 1.34 into 10 raised to 7. The answer is B. The option is B, coulomb. 1.34 into 10 raised to 7 coulomb. So again in the next series, I will solve few more problems, MCQs. Till then, bye. So thank you for watching.